So I originally got this truck, needed a few things, just like all Dodges. The bed was starting to rot out above the wheel wells here. Had that all replaced. The whole truck was pretty much gone over and redone, paint, and all the common areas for the rust on Dodges. So it's sitting currently, has 100,000 miles. It's the 5.7 Hemi, as you can see here. Sure, a lot of you guys are probably familiar with this truck. To me, it's special. Maybe not to most. A lot of guys aren't really fond of the two-door short bed. For me, my dad had a black one, and it's very similar. It's got the, 6-inch lifts, the 35s, the pretty much everything you'd want in a truck. Give you a tour inside too. I don't drive this barely at all. This is my Halloween mask. Scare the kids and stuff. I went through, I replaced all these door panels whenever I got it. The guy was trying to redo the radio, and unfortunately it didn't pan out too well for him, so here I am getting everything back to factory. Now there's still a few things that I have to do, and I'll show you guys actually here. In the back, he took all this out to try to run electrical. Well, as you can see, that didn't pan out too well, so I still need to find this back piece. If anybody knows actually where I could get that, I really appreciate you letting me know. Reach out. I'm willing to pay to have it shipped too, rather than have to kind of find and dig for the piece, because I've had not much luck. Another thing I'll show you guys, this front seat right here that you see folds down. It's one of my favorite things about these trucks, this seat. Gosh, I love it. But this wasn't here with the truck whenever I purchased it. This was out too. He took all this out. So like I said before, I'm pretty much trying to get it back to factory completely, because that's the look that I like. The other thing I've been unable to find, the cover. It's a plastic cover for the 4x4. If any of you guys have a link or anything like that for this, I definitely would appreciate it. Reach out, let me know. But all in all, for what it is, this is probably one of the cleaner Dodges that you're going to find. So over the winter, I keep it on a trickle charge. I just picked that up at Harbor Freight. Nothing special, but it definitely does the job, and it's been on that for, I'd say, about 6 months right now. So this will be the first startup for the year, and hopefully this year we can get some more done to it and take you guys along with me for it. Sucks, short guys like me, I can't barely reach shit up here, but we're gonna take it off the charge. Like I said, about probably 6-7 months it's been sitting. Check underneath it. Hopefully there's no leaks or anything. Spiders, about it. Looks good though, clean. typical Dodges, they do have the shitty dashes, which we all know they crack, they get shitty, and over the years they deteriorate. This has all new paneling, all in here. This is all new. Gauge cluster, see there, mileage and everything. The freaking engine light, come on. And I'm not quite sure what it is, but that's something that I have to get looked at because I'm no mechanic. Up top, this is starting to go. Like I said, all these, everyone knows that these Dodges are known for this. Just that top piece. And I can get one of those. The hardest part is getting a color match. So that's another thing. If any of you guys know or have a contact or a link or anything to get the exact color match to what I have here, definitely let me know.